This is one gorgeous 2005 Infiniti G35 Coupe. This perfect luxury sports car has factory navigation, a solid black leather interior with an amazing bright red exterior that will be sure to turn heads. It also comes equipped with power lock sunroof windows and memory heated power seats. This G35 looks like it's still in the showroom. New tires, a super low 81k original miles. This car is a perfect fit for anyone. This car has a crystal clear background check INBOTH Carfax and AUTOCHECK. This G35 Coupe will not last long. Quality Dealer of the Year 2010 District 1 Guarantee Credit Approval for Civilian and Military. Serving Hampton Roads, North Carolina, Maryland and Northern Virginia for over 25 years. No credit, bad credit, no problem. We specialize in making